The United Nations Children's Agency, UNICEF, has warned that nearly 1.4 million children are at risk of starvation due to famine in Nigeria, Somalia, South Sudan and Yemen. According to UNICEF, 450,000 children are severely malnourished in northeastern Nigeria. The agency also says that in Somalia, drought has left 185,000 children on the brink of starvation, with that figure expected to reach 270,000 in the next few months. In South Sudan, over 100,000 are facing starvation, and a famine has just been declared in parts of the country. UNICEF spokesperson Marixie Mercado says children in displacement camps are most vulnerable.
A severely malnourished child is up to 9 times more likely to die of diseases like measles or malaria or cholera than a healthy child. And measles and malaria, for example, are super prevalent in displacement camps where many of these children are. So these children are extraordinarily vulnerable.